Kindle Unlimited lets you read and listen to all of the books you want for $7.99 a month. Well, that's not exactly how it works. Hi, it's Kelly back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I really encourage you to stick around and join the community by hitting that big red subscribe button down below for new productivity and planning videos every single week. So some of you may have seen my previous video, which was a review of Audible, which is Amazon's audiobook service. Today I want to talk about a different Amazon service, which is also to do with books and audiobooks, and it is Kindle Unlimited. What is Kindle Unlimited? So most of you have probably heard of the Kindle. It is Amazon's digital way of being able to read books. Without having a paper book, you can read them digitally on a small tablet device. And as you may or may not already know, for the Kindle you can buy books for that as you go. So you pay for each book and then it arrives on your Kindle and you can download it and keep it there. But Amazon now have a service called Kindle Unlimited, which is supposed to let you read and listen to all of the books that you want for one monthly price. When they say unlimited, what does that actually mean? Because surely it can't be every single book out there. Well, you'd be right. It is not every single book that is on Amazon. It's not every single book that you can get within Kindle Unlimited. Within Kindle Unlimited, you get a set selection of books which Amazon have already pre-decided that you can choose from to read and to listen to. And Amazon say that there are over 2 million books on Kindle Unlimited. Now, upon first scrolling through the website, it seems like there are some pretty good options. There are a lot of business books on there which I've wanted to read for a long time that I've actually been able to use the Kindle Unlimited feature for, that I previously would have had to buy separately or buy with my Audible credits. However, there being a set selection of books chosen by Amazon means that there may be some books in there that you won't be able to get that you maybe do want to read. Similarly to Netflix, you get a set selection of films. With Kindle Unlimited, you get a set selection of books that you're allowed to read. And if there was a book that, say, you wanted to read that wasn't included on Kindle Unlimited, you would have to pay whatever the cost of that book is on Kindle on top of your monthly subscription, or you would have to buy it on Audible if it was an audiobook. Therefore, I really highly recommend checking out what the selection is first before you buy Kindle Unlimited. Make sure to check that the one that you actually want is included on Kindle Unlimited and what format it comes in, whether it's just for reading or whether it comes with a narrator, aka is an audiobook. So if you're someone looking for one specific book in particular and it's not on Kindle Unlimited, I definitely wouldn't recommend this for you. But potentially if you're someone who's quite a casual reader, maybe you don't necessarily mind which book you read, you're just looking for a diverse selection of books, something different, something random to read every month, this could actually be really worth your while. Especially as some of the titles that are on there are actually really expensive when you get them on other services. Such as the Harry Potter books are usually really expensive, so being able to get those on Kindle Unlimited, all of them, is really pretty good. It's also really important to note that not every book on Kindle Unlimited is an audio book. Personally, from scrolling through it, I found that there's a lot that actually aren't audiobooks that I would really love to be in audiobook format. Therefore, I would probably recommend Kindle Unlimited more if you're interested in actually reading the books on your app or on your Kindle. If you're more interested in audiobooks, something like Audible might be slightly better for you. Make sure you check really carefully on the app or online if the book that you want is available as an audiobook, because quite a lot of them aren't, and that surprised me because I thought that it was all of them that would be reading or audiobook, but no, it's just some select ones, so make sure that you check before you buy. So how do you actually access the Kindle Unlimited features? Well, like I say, you access them on a Kindle device or on your phone or on your tablet through the Kindle app. When you go onto the app, it shows you all of the books, so it shows you ones which are included in Kindle Unlimited and ones which aren't included in Kindle Unlimited. So again, it can be a little bit tricky to actually figure out which ones you get for free and which ones you might have to pay for on top. For me, it was a lot of clicking into them and trying to figure out, is this one included, is it not? And a lot of the time they aren't included. If it says sample for free or try a free sample or a button like that, it's not free. So you just need to be aware that not everything is going to be free. Most of them have the Kindle Unlimited icon in the top left if they're included, but there are quite a few books which are not included, but they are on the Kindle app to buy on top. So just be very, very careful when you're navigating the app. Now I just want to quickly talk about price. So Kindle Unlimited costs $7.99 here in the UK for a monthly subscription, which is the exact same as Audible. It costs $9.99 in the US. Also important to note that it is not available in all countries at the minute for Kindle Unlimited. There is a note on the website to say that it will be expanding in the future, but at the minute there are only a select number of countries included. So make sure that you go on the website to check out if your country is actually eligible for it first. If you're a Prime customer, you can also get a number of free books outside of Kindle Unlimited, and you can also get a 3-month free trial of Kindle Unlimited. So make sure that you check that out. I'll put a link down below if out of all of this you're still interested in trying it out for yourself. Overall, would I recommend Kindle Unlimited? I think it depends on what you are looking for. Like I say, if you're a casual reader, you don't really mind what you're reading, you just want a couple of different books that you can read for a month without paying a lot of money, this could be really, really great for you. If you're looking for specific books in particular, make sure you check out what books they have on Kindle Unlimited first, or do a free trial, because you just don't know if it's going to be worth the money until you know if it's got the books that you actually want to read. Make sure you check out really carefully to see if the books that you want to read are in audiobooks, if that's what you're looking for, because not all of the books on there are on audiobooks. And just be really, really careful on the app with whether you're buying anything extra on top or if it's already included with Kindle Unlimited. So this has been a quick review of Kindle Unlimited. Make sure you also check out my video about Audible. I will link it up here for you so that you can check that one out. That's also a really, really great service on Amazon, and if you like audiobooks, that might be a better one for you. So if you're interested, make sure you check out that video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.